Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you guys a look at these slat wall panels behind me. My husband and I just got these put up, so I'm going to show you that installation process real quick, and then I'll tell you some more about the product.
When opening the box, be extra careful as there is no protection between the box and the product. However, the product arrived pristinely and they added extra protection to the corners, which we certainly appreciated. The installation guide was super simple. It mentions using both silicone sealant and nails, but we opted for screws and made sure it was secured to the studs. That way it could be more easily relocated or removed if needed. We did need to modify the length slightly to fit our walls, so we measured everything and started by cutting the backing so that could be removed before we cut the slats. We pulled the staples out and then the backing could be removed. Most of the staples broke, so we had to remove the remaining pieces after taking the backing off. Next, we tested a few methods for cutting the slats to see what provided the best effect, and we found that cutting from the back with a circular saw left the cleanest cut. We cut each piece to size and then it was ready to go up. It was incredibly simple to get the sections attached to the wall. If you are using silicone, apply it to the back of each panel and then place it on the wall, making sure that each panel butts up to the other panels. For us, we just placed each panel, screwed it to the studs, and continued the process until each piece was up. It couldn't have been any more simple than that, and installation was complete.
So these are 94.5 inches long and they're 11.5 inches wide, and there's 4 pieces. They connect together seamlessly, and this could very easily be oriented horizontally or vertically like we have. So the little slats are actually an MDF material and they kind of have this wood-like grain veneer on the front. This is in the brown shade that mimics walnut, and then the high density acoustic material that creates the backing is super thick, it's black, it blends seamlessly and connects really easily. It's such a functional and stylish product. Having it here in our living room space near our TV is going to help create a more theater-like experience because it's going to help with sound. So if you guys were looking for a really incredible accent wall piece, this is an amazing choice, you guys. I would absolutely give it a try.